Hi all. In this video, we will be learning how to use the Blink application basically with the ESP8266. So this is the another way. Likewise, like you can connect the home your all the appliances with the Blink application, and you can use it. So let us start. Okay. So, okay, so this is basically the structure, like how it works is. So here you can see this. Here we have the Blink application, and we have the something called as a Blink server. Okay, we'll be using the Blink application, and then we have the Blink libraries. Okay, so we will be importing the Blink libraries, and then that will be connected with the our here we have the our ESP8266 board or whatever board you will be using. Okay, so yeah, with this board that will be connected to the internet, and that will be connected with the further with the Blink libraries, and we will be using it. Okay, so what you have to do is, just first step, you need to install the Blink library. Okay, so Blink library, and there you need to go to the create a new project. Once you will go to the create a new project, then the other step will be, like, you can create the whatever the project you want. So you can name it. Okay, and you can just select the hardware model whatever we have. So we have the ESP8266, we can use it. And then what you can do is, you can directly email that authentication token. Here you will get the authentication token, you can see. Okay, so that authentication token you need to email it. Okay, and or you can copy it also as well. Okay, so I'll show you. So then the next step, what you have to do is, from the widget box, you just take the button. Okay, so like this, I'll show you the button how it will be. Like you can see here, so you can see a button something like this. Okay, so in that button, what you have to do is, okay, for the time being, I will be showing you how to use your Arduino board with the Blink application, and in that you will be controlling your LED. Okay, so my LED that is connected with the GPIO2. Okay, so what you have to do is, here you just give the name. Okay, after giving the name, what you have to do is, another thing, you have to check the pin. Okay, select the pin. So here you can select whatever the pin you want. So here we have the three options: digital, analog, and the third one is virtual. Okay, so you have to select the digital one. So once you will select the digital one, here you will see the options. Okay, which pin. So I have connected, like, this is already in the board, GPIO2. So I have connected this GPIO2. Okay, then just connect the OK. And here, how you want, like push or switch. So for the time being, I'm using it as a switch. Okay, so you just click over this thing, and it should go towards the switch. Okay, that's all. Just go back and just click over this topmost right corner button. Okay, so you can see something like this. Okay, and you can see like on and off kind of thing. Okay, on or whatever it is. So I think, yeah. Okay, so okay, so I'll go to the code part now. What you have to do is, for the time being, what you can do directly, you can install the simple library. Okay, and you can manipulate it later on how you want. Just go to the tools, and from the I'm sorry, go to the sketch, go to the include libraries, and the manage libraries. In the manage libraries, you can directly like search for the Blink. And for me, I have already installed it. I'll show you again. Yeah, so since it will again take time. Okay, so the thing is, just you need to search over here Blink. For me, it is already installed. Just install that. Okay, so I'm not installing it again, and so you can directly do it. You can see it in my previous videos. Yeah, I think it will take complete updation. Yeah, and then you can go to the file, and you can go to the examples, and in the examples you can directly go to the Blink, and in the Blink boards Wi-Fi, and here you can see somewhere standalone. Yeah, ESP8266 standalone. That's it. You just come over here. Okay, and just give the same authentication key. I have mailed it and I got it. Okay, just copy and paste this authentication key over here. I have added over here. Okay, and then give your Wi-Fi name and the password. That's it for it. Okay, so what it will do is, whenever you will press that button from the Blink application, it will give the command over here. We will be receiving it, and then based on that our board will react. Okay, so what we have done is directly GPIO2 we are just giving low and high. Okay, that's it. So we need not to do anything over here other than this. Okay, in the later on videos I will show you how you can use the GPI other GPIOs instead of this. Okay, really whatever you want to do, we can do this. Okay, so I have already installed my I have already flashed my Arduino board. Okay, so here I can show you. So you can see I have turned it off. So this is again the ulta kind of thing. Okay, off, on, off, on, off, on. That's it. So like that you can see, and you can use your board. And I think that's it from my side for this video. Thank you for being connected, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thanks.